Hello students. So in this video we will be talking about the vacant seats notification that has been released by DNLU Jabalpur. So as you know that those seats which are not filled after the fifth allotment will be filled by individual university. So in that regard, DNLU Jabalpur has released the notification. If you look at the notification that you can access from our Abhyaas Lawprep page, right? If we look at the notification here, we get to see three pieces of information here. One, it talks about important dates. Second, it talks about available vacant seats. And third, it talks about the procedure. Let's discuss about all these three aspects. Coming to the first one, the last date to fill the application is 20th of June 2024 by 6 p.m. in the evening, right? So you have to fill it by 6 in the evening on 20th of June 2024, right? If we talk about the number of vacant seats available under all India category, if you see here, right, under total, right, so they have given this information in a matrix wherein they have mentioned the total seats. So how do you understand how many seats are there? So if you look at general category, there are 16 vacant seats, out of which 4 are for people from MP domicile. That means 12 all India general seats are there and 4 general seats for those having MP domicile is there. Right? Similarly, under SC, total 7 seats are there. Out of that, 2 are reserved for, or 2 are having a horizontal reservation for MP domicile. So 2 seats for people having MP domicile plus SC category reservation, 5 seats for those who have all India SC reservation. Right? Similarly, you can deduce or infer from the given information as to how many seats are there under all India category and how many are reserved for MP domicile. Right? Under EWS, if I look at the information provided, 4 seats are available and 1 is for person from MP domicile or having MP domicile. In that case, 3 seats for all India EWS and 1 seat for MP domicile EWS. Right? If we talk about the fee in this regard, those who have applied under SC, ST, OBC or EWS, they have to pay 750 rupees as non-refundable deposit, right? Otherwise, you have to pay 1000 rupees, right? Let's have a look into the application form and see what are the required fields that are required to be filled in this particular given column, right? Now, you can access the application also from the same website, that is NLU Vacancy 2024, our Abhyaas Lawprep website, right? From here also you can reach to the application form. So the application form consists of 3 stages. In the first stage, you have to fill the basic required details, that are your name, your gender, your email address, your contact detail and your address, right? In the next column or the next page, or the next step, right, you have to fill your admit card number, you have to upload the PDF copy of your admit card, your Clat all India rank and PDF copy of your scorecard of Clat 2024, your category as in which category you are applying, general, OBC, SC, ST, WS or anything, right? In case you are availing any of the reservation, then accordingly you have to upload the document concerned. For example, I am availing EWS reservation or say SC reservation, I have to upload the SC certificate, caste certificate, or for EWS certificate, right? If you are from MP domicile, you get extra leverage. For that, you need to mention that you are from MP, right? If you mention SC here, right, and you mention MP here, you will be treated differently. And if you mention no here in the MP and type SC here, you will be treated differently. So if you are from Madhya Pradesh, make sure that you mention it here, pressing on yes, right? And in that case, you have to also upload the MP domicile certificate. After which you will be taken to the last page, which is the payment page, right? You can scan this particular code and pay 1000 in case you are from general or JK Jammu and Kashmir resident, or in case of SC, ST, OBC and EWS, you have to pay 750. After you make the payment, you have to take the copy, right, of the payment. That can be a screenshot, or nowadays all the applications which mention the UTR or the transaction ID of that particular transaction that you have made, that is of 1000 rupees or 750 rupees as the case may be, right? So mention the UTR address here. Once you submit on the once you click on the submit button, successfully your expression of interest will be noted, right? And that particular candidate names and rank will be considered while drawing the merit list, right? The merit list will be drawn on June 24, 2024, right? And if your name appears in this particular list, in that case you have to make the remaining fee payment of 2,96,410 to the university in order to lock your seat, right? That's all for today's video. I hope this was a useful one. Let's meet in next video. Thank you so much.